Hey Norm, so a little task I need you to do for us is with all these new meeting schedules that we've created. So if you go to HubSpot, you'll see that they're all clones of each other. But the reason we've done this is just so we know the source from which these leads are coming through and these consultations are booking through. So there will be, for example, like this one here is direct from the website. This one's from our 7 Do's and Don'ts retargeting. SLR tap page. This is a direct consult. And these are going to be for events. So what I need you to do is we'll need to create anywhere that these meetings are on our ClickFunnels, any funnels. So with the meeting scheduler and the 7 Do's and Don'ts funnels, we'll need to have unique URLs and basically all clones of them to match up with these meetings, so we know where they're coming from, because we can't have the one funnel with multiple meeting links embedded on there. So I'll need you to go into ClickFunnels, find out where they all are, and if we need to clone or create any new funnels, do so, but just make it really, really simple. So you can see this one here, so the 7 Do's and Don'ts. So example, that is the one through the GMS website. And this one will be used for our Facebook ads. So do the same with the direct into strategy session. So I think this is one here. This is probably be the only one we've got at the moment. So for example, you'll need to clone this and then have a different, or match up the corresponding meeting on the corresponding page. All of these meetings, they're going to look the same. They're going to be all exactly the same. But the only thing is we'll know in the back end the source that they've come through. So give me a shout if you've got any questions. But yeah, that's a little task that we can get through. Thanks.